Hi guys, again JJ2 is back. So now we are going to discuss, or we're going to watch a video about how to have the sound. As you know, this is one of the most difficult sound when using the simple past tense. Those verbs really create a situation for a lot of students or learners of the language, because they just don't know how to manage themselves to pronounce the words correctly when they have the ed sound. Let's take an example. When we have the verb look, which is k, which ends in k, when you add the ed, then it gives you looked. But I know a lot of my students sometimes they pronounce it looked. It's not looked. And also, if we have another example with verbs that end in ch, for example, when you have, for example, watch, you add ed, then it gives you watched. Some students say watch it. It's not watch it. Then through this video, you will get to know how to pronounce those verbs. And then if you really, pay good attention to the video, you really learn those pronunciations, then you will be able to learn them correctly, and you won't ever mispronounce them in your conversation while communicating with people. So I hope through this video you'll learn a lot, and if you have comments, things that you want us to know, regarding verbs that has that sound, then also you can share it with us. So this is number one of videos that we need, or that we'll be uploading for you guys, related to verbs that has this kind of verbs that have this kind of sound, the t sound. So share the video, comment, subscribe, and let people know more about this community. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next. Take care. JJ2.
Verbs ending in ch. Watched, watched. Matched, matched. Searched, searched. Touched, touched. Bleached, bleached. Attached, attached. Verbs ending in sh. Wished, wished. Pushed, pushed. Washed, washed. Blushed, blushed. Crashed, crashed. Rushed, rushed. Verbs ending in K. Looked, looked. Asked, asked. Cooked, cooked. Walked, walked. Baked, baked. Liked, liked. Verbs ending in CE. Practiced, practiced. Faced, faced. Divorced, divorced. Introduced, introduced. Bounced, bounced. Influenced, influenced.